Hey, YouTube Easel Dan Peters here. We are getting a lot more work done again today. We got all night, literally. So I finished the support, the new support for the bumper over here, as you can tell. And let's cut it down over here. I'm gonna cut it down from there. Let's see how it looks. So I got a song stuck in my head. So came out pretty nice actually. And look at that. I welded the end here, grounded all that off. This, I believe, is definitely stronger than what was originally on there. Fortunately, there's some shrapnel in there of some sort. But whatever. So we're going to put this on now. You can tell my holes are a little buggered, but it's alright. You won't be able to see it. It's got to be completely covered up, honestly. Unfortunately, not even be able to see my support that I built. Almost at all, with all the plastics and stuff that will be on. But this is the night I've pretty much been waiting for a while. Oh, 1 second. There we go. Because we should be able to possibly get the front plastics on and even start to button it up. That's pretty big. We are definitely dwindling down on this project. Oop. Definitely gonna have to bump all that up. I guess that's actually a good way to start though. We can take all this off for now. We're gonna have to heat shrink all this. Put all this here. Cool. This is gonna have to come out anyway too. I guess I could have waited to take the bumper off, but that's alright. So this is gonna go something like this. We'll just kind of get it mocked up, ready to go. Because we're going to have to take the bumper off regardless. But if I can have all this kind of set up where it's going to be mounted, and leave that mounted, and just remove that one bolt, it'll make my life a little easier. And I thought about it over and over. I was going to originally just, where was I going with that? Originally I was gonna just have this metal bar come all the way down and replace this, but I prefer there to be some kind of so-called breaking point, right? So like let's say I slam into a tree, I'd prefer for this aluminum to bend versus the entire steel frame and the bumper. So everything has been done for a reason. And is getting done for a reason as well. Leave it to 10. computer. Right after this, we'll put the time lapse on. Again, this might be some of the last moments it's all apart, hopefully at least. I'm certainly getting tired of building this now. Nice, tight. Alright, do one more on this side. Nice. Nice, alright. It's all nice and aligned. So now what we can do, take this actually out, put this bolt over here so we remember where it is. And honestly, we're at the point where all we have to start doing is just assembling this bumper off. Yeah, we're getting there. Certainly getting there. I'm going to button up some of this wiring though, because this looks kind of disgusting. Alright, I guess we'll start getting the time lapse together in a second. So, there we go. Like I said, we're going to button all that up. I'm going to get the electrical tape out, time lapse, and also get it closer.
Get you whatever you want, I'll settle for nothing, as long as we can keep the fire. I'll do whatever you do, follow you anywhere, if our chances are getting brighter. But I want you to know, I can't help but fight this feeling. I want you to try. Imagine living without it, without it. So let's go. Heaven is worth fighting for, you know. I've been standing right next to you, next to you. Oh, I know it won't be easy, but it's true. We will regret what we didn't do, what we didn't do, what we didn't do. I know you're feeling it too. This sure is something. I know that this will take us higher. I'll do whatever you do. Let's take cover before our chances are getting darker. But I want you to know, I can't help but fight this feeling. I want you to try. Imagine living without it, without it. So let's go. Heaven is worth fighting for, you know. I've been standing right next to you, next to you. Oh, I know it won't be easy, but it's true. We will regret what we didn't do, what we didn't do. I did come through my feelings sometimes, got me